Here's a script for your YouTube channel about the Oppo A60. Welcome to FK iPhone. Today we are looking at the Oppo A60, a new budget-friendly smartphone packed with interesting features. If you are thinking about getting a new phone without spending too much, this might be worth checking out. Starting with the design, the Oppo A60 keeps things simple but stylish. It has a sleek plastic back with a matte finish that resists fingerprints. The edges are slightly curved, making it comfortable to hold for long periods. The phone is available in classic black and a vibrant blue, giving users a bit of choice when it comes to aesthetics. The camera module on the back is slightly raised but nothing too bulky. Moving to the display, the Oppo A60 comes with a large LCD screen with a decent refresh rate for smoother scrolling. It may not be AMOLED, but it still delivers vibrant colors and good brightness levels for everyday use. Watching videos and playing games on this screen should be a decent experience. Performance-wise, the Oppo A60 is powered by a mid-range chipset which is good enough for casual gaming, social media and general multitasking. It is paired with enough RAM to keep things running smoothly, though heavy gaming might push it to its limits. The internal storage is expandable with a micro SD card, so you do not have to worry about running out of space too quickly. On the camera side, the Oppo A60 features a dual lens setup with a main sensor capable of capturing clear and detailed shots in good lighting. The secondary sensor helps with depth for portrait shots. Night photography is decent with AI enhancements, but do not expect flagship-level performance. The front camera is good enough for selfies and video calls, with some beauty enhancements to make your photos look better. Battery life is a strong point for this device. It packs a large battery that should easily last a full day of use. Charging speeds are decent with fast charging support, so you will not be stuck waiting for hours to get back to full power. Other features include a side-mounted fingerprint scanner for quick unlocking, stereo speakers for better audio, and a headphone jack for those who still prefer wired earphones. The phone runs on the latest version of ColorOS based on Android, with plenty of customization options and smooth animations. Overall, the Oppo A60 is a solid choice for anyone looking for a reliable budget smartphone. It offers a good balance of performance, battery life and camera quality at an affordable price. If you are looking for a phone that gets the basics right without breaking the bank, this might be a good option. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and do not forget to subscribe to FK iPhone for more smartphone updates.